Welcome to Holcomb Springs 88, located in beautiful southern Oregon, a region known for a distinct four seasons with a mild winter, charming small-town culture, and abundant outdoor recreation. With a true big sky view, this 88-acre homestead boasts privacy and breathtaking views of the Rogue Valley below, as well as notable summits including McLoughlin, Mazama, and the Table Rocks. The easterly aspect with gently rolling topography provides early morning sun exposure and a stunning view of the sunrise. Built in 2017, the expansive steel-framed shop totals 2,600 square feet with concrete flooring and 400 amp electrical service. This is the quintessential outdoor lifestyle property with 2 creeks, a pond, meandering trails, and loads of game activity including elk, deer, bear, and turkey. With direct access to over 3,000 acres of public lands, this ranch is an outdoor enthusiast's dream. Here, you can enjoy all that the rural lifestyle has to offer, yet benefit from the convenience of being just 15 miles from Costco and the Rogue Valley International Airport. Thank you for touring this property with us today.